Kublai sibun ya pibara sa season 4 ha kane ka video kubamta ngan pentip sapi ya ki kubor lakam jang ki push data entry operator kabadai hapo nigram chalong ka code online application ya ki te ki push balakadaw haneng kabadai ha ka contractual basis hapo ka ICMAR National Center for Disease Information and Research NCDIR. This study is to collect data from all the cancer patients being treated at Nigrim and upload the same into specific software designed by NCDIR Bangalore. Kumno ban lum jing tip na baro ki jingpang cancer ki baca sumar han Nigrim bat ban upload ki ju ha ki software bakarpang balasna ka NCDIR ke badan hapo Bangalore. Katarik ban kadu ban pa yaki application kalong hadu ka kasan tarik September arajar pusau. Tingin ang yape jika kertiang jong kipus kabade jong ka data entry operator. Number of posts kadoni way minimum qualification kadai bachelor degree bat pidai banang haka bayadai bat jepang ki komputer lane experience data entry. Candidate with the equivalent research experience will preferred. Tang yaki candidate ki badan ya ki take experience take in pedang. Duration of project kadai system. Appointment will be initially for a period for 6 months, period which may be renewed depending on the performance of the candidates. Kajeng thungkam kadai tang lubanai hendai kin pe katkum kajeng tri jong pi lada pi biang te kin sa renew biang ka age limit kadai arpu prasnam katulap kadai katkanda ajar nang ta katarik banlet interview kadai sitrik Oktober ajar pusau kaja ka ban kandai ha Nigrim second floor clinical tekno teaching room kapor kandai kena sedang menstep ban pendap ya ka application form kajong pi ha ban pendap ha kane ka form dengan sabu rupa ka description below pidai ban ayun nomor phone ujung pi ka email kanang bakin su message sapi bat ki dokumen ru pidai ban beng hakapor ka ban lej ka interview second mau bah kelas state kadai kesan terik September arjar pusau titang kini ki jemputip ke Sibun